यस सर।
नोटबुक चेक है तुम्हारी?
नो सर।
हाँ, बिफोर 30th, टुडे इज 27, 28, 29, 30 कॉपी जो है चेक हो जानी चाहिए, ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स। इसमें अकाउंट्स में जो कंप्यूटर्स वाले चैप्टर है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू द टॉपिक्स। ओके, व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स नोट किए थे उस दिन? हैव यू नोट डाउन द टॉपिक्स? I am talking to you, Ankit. Computer topics. I have sent the topics in the class group also. The very important ones I have written again. Once again, today note down. Okay? Maximum of 2 to 3 or 4 marks maximum will be asked from these topics only. Definition of computer, its meaning, features, merits, and limitations. Number 2, computer software and hardware. And in software, tailor-made, ready-made, and customized type of softwares. Number 3, difference between manual and computerized accounting. Only these 3 topics. This is in chapter number 24, 5, 6. This is in chapter number 26. Computerized manual and computerized accounting differences. Advantages of computerized accounting system. When accounting is being done with the help of computers, what are its various advantages or merits? इसी में आपका these are in chapter number 26, and in chapter number 24 you will find the meaning, definition, features, all these things in chapter number 24 and 5. 24 and 5, these two. chapter 24 and 25. These two topics can be done from there. Other than these three topics, you will not write anything in the fair notebook. In the fair notebook, you will write only these three topics. This is from chapter number 26, types of softwares, tailor-made software, ready-made software, and customized software. And you will write the differences between manual accounting and computerized accounting. Manual accounting and computerized accounting differences. They are very, very simple differences between computerized and manual accounting. Please open your book, chapter 26, accounts, chapter number 26, computerized accounting system. Computerized accounting system. Open your book. In that, you will find computerized accounting system, differences between manual and computerized accounting, differences on the basis of recording, on the basis of classification, on the basis of summarizing, adjustment entries, financial statements, and closing of the books. All these are done manually in manual accounting. An accountant will do it manually, but in computerized accounting, only some portion, some part of accounting is done manually. Rest, everything is done by computer itself. Like in computerized accounting, we have to only feed the entries. We have to do the journal entries by ourselves. We have to create different account, and we have to simply do the journal entries. The next portion, posting of entries, ledger posting is done by the computer itself automatically. Okay. Then trial balance is prepared by the computer automatically by itself. You don't have to make it. It will be shown there. You can only check. You can check whether it is okay or not. You need not prepare trial balance in the books of account. Cash book will be prepared by itself, computerized. Financial statements, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet will be prepared by the computer itself. The user need not prepare these things. Okay? So ये सब अपने आप बन जाते हैं. उसके बाद जो रेशियोज होते हैं वो अपने आप कैलकुलेट हो जाते हैं. कोई चीज आपको परसेंटेज में देखनी है, that is done by the computer itself. But you should have the knowledge, prior knowledge of all these accounts and financial statements and balance sheet. Everything should be known to you. Then only you can learn accounting in computer. Direct going and sitting in front of computer, you will have to do some of the entries, initial entries, recording of transactions in the computer by yourself. Then comes the part. Computer will do it fast because its speed is too much, right? Storage capacity is too much. These are the advantages of computer and computerized accounting. It will be more accurate. So in chapter number 26, you will go through the differences between manual and computerized accounting. I have already taught this in the previous class. Again, I am revising today for you. And tomorrow we will start some previous chapters for revision. Only few days are left. All those who are present, Bilal, ready, get your notebooks checked before the date I have given in the class group, 31st of January. By 31st of January, your notebooks should reach to me and they should be corrected if you want to sit for the exam. Okay, these are the only topics, these are the only 3 topics which you have to do in the accounts book copies. Okay, accounts notebook, only these 3 topics. These will be asked in the exam only for 3 to 4 marks maximum, 3 to 4 marks theory questions from the computer chapters. So just do these topics only from these topics the questions will be asked. This is the basic knowledge you should have about the computers, about software and hardware, about the different types of ready-made, customized and tailor-made softwares and differences between manual and computerized accounting account along with the features and advantages of computer with its limitations. That's all, nothing more than that. इससे पहले जो previous chapter किया है accounts from incomplete records, I told you please do up to question number 12 only. Accounts from incomplete record, you will do only up to question number 12, the topics. Only that portion will be asked because it is relevant. After that, it is all about financial statement. So up to question number 10 or 12 only in the accounts from incomplete record, chapter number 23, which we have done. Financial statement, both with adjustment and without adjustment, you have to do it completely. And previous chapters like depreciation, bill of exchange, etc., they all are already checked. Get them checked this month before 31st of January. 30th तक आपकी copies check हो जानी चाहिए. In the school you can bring. I have given the time already up to 1:30 p.m. Okay, 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. You can bring it in the school, get it checked and take it back. Tomorrow onwards we will revise the business also. I have been sending you the business videos of the chapters, topics. Listen to them, watch them and prepare for your exam. Full length exam offline will be conducted in the school, you know very well. Renee, your work is complete. Renee?
Yes, sir.
Get the notebook checked fast, okay?
Yes, sir.
Ankit, Jasanjeet, Ravi is there, Bilal, Ansika, get the notebook checked in time.
Okay, sir.
Not be delayed because exams are approaching fast. And if you have any doubts, any clarifications you want in some chapter or some topics or some concepts are not clear, you can ask me during the classes, all the revision classes which we are having now up to the commencement of the exam. Keep your problems ready, or you can send me, SMS me the image or the picture, and you can ask me during the class or after the class hours also. Okay, Bilal, hope you are revising all the things properly. Bilal is there. Mahima, you are getting the voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you have any problem, keep it ready and ask me during the classes, during the exam, during the revision time, without any confusion, without any hesitation. Anybody want to ask anything? Ansika? I hope it is clear to you what is to be done, and in the fair notebooks, after this, you can get the notebooks checked. Okay? These days there is a lot of congestion problem. So you can get your notebook checked as soon as possible. Anybody want to ask anything? Renee, Bilal, any question? Business studies up to chapter number 10. business studies up to chapter number 10, international trade. You have to do in the fair notebook and get it checked. Any question? Ansika, anything to ask? Ankit? Jasanjeet? Any doubts? Every information is clear, and also pass this information to your friends. Pass this information to your friends. Business, I will send you today chapter number 4, business services. जिसमें आपका principles है. These principles are very important. I will send you the video link of those principles. Okay, and very important topics are there. Chapter number 4 is on the revision. Thank you. God bless all of you.